The on-chain data proves that this was not a panic dump onto retail order books, but was a highly orchestrated OTC transfer to institutional buyers. The fact that the market absorbed a $670 million supply shock without a fuss proves that the liquidity infrastructure of Bitcoin has fundamentally matured. The early pioneers are taking their profits, and Wall Street is eagerly buying their bags. The illusion of the HODL forever myth may be shattered. The infrastructure of the network has been tested, and the digital wealth of the cypherpunks has been permanently transferred. Let's hope that those OGs are having fun spending their riches.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
The king still has one more move